Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you saw in the title, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Biotique's Diamond Facial Kit. Now because of the corona, you can't go to a parlor, you can't get a spa done, or you can't get a facial done. So I thought, why not try out this kit and show you guys how it's done. So this is a little spa session for me, but also a review video for you guys. So if you're interested to see this diamond facial kit and how it works on my skin and is it affordable and all of those information, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and yeah, share this video with your friends and your family. It is definitely going to be helpful to them. So yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. So yeah guys, I have pulled my hair back and I've put on a hairband, so I am facial ready. So I've just washed my face with water and I've patted my skin. So my skin is really dry and I don't have any products on. So yeah, let's just get started. So yeah guys, this is how the outer packaging, like the box, looks like. They have written the Instant Bright and Radiant Complexion Diamond Facial Kit, and it contains all the steps here. So inside they have like 6 sachets and one cream box. So yeah, they've told you step by step how to use it, and how many minutes you have to massage, and they've given all of the details. It retails for rupees 335, so which is quite affordable, and you can do facial at home. So yeah, why worry, right? So this is a 6-step facial kit, and you have a free magic dark spot corrector box as well. So I think it's a win-win situation. You can definitely afford this. But before I give my final verdict, I would like to start my facial and see how the products work on my skin, and do they even work at all. So yeah, let's get started. So when I open this box, I can see 6 sachets of the facial like this. Oh, I'm sorry, 5 sachets. So there are 5 sachets of the facial, the steps. And there is one dark spot corrector, like they mentioned, the gift part. So yeah, this is that box. So that's it. They don't have anything else in here. Behind each sachet, they have given information on how much to use and how to use and how many minutes to massage, and they've given all of these steps behind the sachet as well. So if you tend to like throw away the outer box, this one right here, so you don't have to worry. You have the information behind the sachet as well. So let's get on to step number 1. It's the diamond scrub. So they have told that it's enriched with diamond, bhasma and almond. It exfoliates the dead cells, removes impurities and polishes the skin. Apply evenly on the face and leave it for 3 minutes, and then with damp fingers do circular massage to exfoliate the dead skin cell. Wipe off the scrub and proceed for step 2. So I have the diamond scrub here with me. So behind the sachet also they have the same instructions, but the minutes how much you have to keep it on your skin is different. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. So each sachet has a lot of quantity in it, so you might as well use it twice or give it to your mom or sister, whoever. You can share it with them. So yeah, I really like the quantity part as well. So as you can see, I have taken quite a lot of the scrub. So it has like white reflex on it. I really like it. It has a running consistency, so I'm just gonna quickly apply it on my face. So yeah guys, I have applied the scrub evenly on my face. Avoid your under eye circles because it is a very thin and sensitive skin. So yeah, I have just applied it all over my face, and I have to tell, the scrub particles are very thick, and you feel it on your skin. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it for 3 minutes and come back and massage and remove it from my face. So yeah guys, it's been over 3 minutes and the scrub has like dried a little bit. So according to the instructions, my fingers are damp. I'm just gonna start massaging it circularly. So make sure you massage your face nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes and get rid of all the dead skin cells. I'm doing the same thing. And make sure you have a little bit of water, because that dry scrub has to start getting melted, and it should start massaging your face. Also, when my scrub was drying, I was seeing very beautiful, nice white reflexes, just like diamonds. So yeah, I really like that part. And also, your skin kind of burns a little bit, not too much. It's manageable, but I had to just say it. So once you're done massaging the scrub and you feel like it's enough, all you have to do is just take a damp cotton like this and start taking out the scrub. Do not wash it, just take out the scrub and wipe away the dead skin cells. So yeah guys, I wiped off my scrub using a cotton cloth, and my skin really feels so soft. It has actually brightened up, and I really like the way the scrub has acted on my skin. So far so good. I really like the diamond massage scrub. Now moving on to step 2. I have to apply the diamond detox lotion. Now this is enriched with diamond bhasma, coconut oil and neem that enhance skin natural mechanism and provides a detoxified and intensively hydrated skin. Apply the lotion evenly on the skin and massage it. So this is just a lotion. I think after you scrub, you have to kind of cool your skin down. So that's why I'm just going to apply the lotion. So this is the diamond detox lotion, as they say, and behind this also they have given how to use this sachet, like I told before. They also told the same thing, so I'm just going to do it anyway. So I've just taken this much of the cream and I'm just gonna start massaging it onto my skin. I'm gonna massage until my skin absorbs all of this cream. So yeah guys, I have massaged the cream on my face, and like you can see, it's literally glowing. I just can't believe how good my skin feels, and this cream especially, it's so hydrating. I really like it. When you get facials done in parlors, they do it until your chest. So you have to definitely include your neck also while doing this facial. So like I told, all of these sachets have a lot of quantity, so you can just use half of it and not go overboard, and you can maybe use it 2 or 3 times or share it with your sisters, mothers, because a little goes a long way. And wow, my skin feels so beautiful. So the rest of it, I'm just going to massage it on my fingers, because why not? They deserve the love too, right? So once you feel that the cream is completely absorbed by your skin, you can move on to step 3. So now what is step 3? Step 3 is applying the diamond massage gel. So this massage gel is enriched with diamond bhasma, mulethi root, badam oil to fight against aging and pollutants. So you have to just massage this gel for 15 minutes and proceed to step 4. Okay. So this is the diamond massage gel sachet. So behind the sachet, again, they have given you instructions on how to use this. So they have told to take the gel on your fingertips and apply it all over your face and neck. And with light circular upward motion, you have to massage your face, give it that love and everything for 15 minutes. So after that, you have to wipe off with moist cotton. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm taking a lot of this gel. So I'm just going to pat it on my skin. And start massaging it circularly now. I'm going to spread some to my neck also. So I have 15 minutes on the timer and I'm going to massage it for 15 minutes. So yeah, I'll come back. So yeah guys, I have massaged my face and my neck for about 15 minutes. It feels so soothing. So I have some moist tissue with me. I'm just going to wipe off the gel from my face. So yeah guys, once you wipe off the gel from your face, so now is the time to move on to step 4. And the step 4 is diamond wash off mask. So it is also enriched with diamond bhasma and jasmine leaf that deeply cleanses face, makes skin even toned, healthy and radiant. Apply evenly and leave it for 12 minutes and wipe off the mask thoroughly, and then you have to proceed to step 5. So the thing is, you have to just apply the mask on your face, wait until it dries. We can wait for about 12 minutes, and then you wash it off thoroughly, and then we'll come back for step 5. This is the diamond wash off mask, as you can see right here. So behind the sachet also, so they've given the same instructions. So I'm just gonna move on and start applying this mask on my face. This also has a white reflex, like you can see. So I'm just gonna apply this on my face like this. If you have a brush, you can do it with a brush also. So yeah guys, I've applied the mask on my face and my neck. I've avoided the eye area. So I'm just going to leave it for about 12 minutes, wash it off, and I'll be right back. So I guess I left the mask for about 15 minutes. It was completely dry, and then I washed it off with water thoroughly. I did not leave a trace behind. So this is how my skin looks like now. It's pretty damn good. I must say it's a very worthy purchase, the facial kit. So now moving on to the next step. The next step is applying the diamond serum. That is step 5. So it's a concentrated serum enriched with botanical extract to provide brightness to the skin. Apply the serum and penetrate while massaging. So this is the sachet, the diamond serum sachet. So they have just mentioned the same things. So as this is a serum, they have told that you can massage a few drops to the cleansed face before moisturizer, morning and evening. So you can use it for a few days. So I'm just going to apply this. So I've taken about so much of the serum. I'm actually being quite generous, so because I really want my skin to absorb all this goodness, I'm just going to rub it, warm it between my fingers, and start massaging my face. I must say this serum kind of burns the skin initially. I think it's just the chemicals reacting on your skin. But after a few minutes, like a few seconds, I must say, it'll kind of fade away. So yeah guys, I massaged this serum for about 3 minutes and my skin really feels very hydrated. And as you can see, it looks oily, but it is not. It's very lightweight on the skin, and I really like how my skin is looking as well as feeling. So but to finish off this facial routine, we have the last step, that is the step 6, which is applying the Swiss Magic Dark Spot Corrector, the gift thing that they told right here. So this is how the tub looks like. It will last longer than the sachets, and you can kind of apply it every day after your moisturizer, or before you sleep. So this corrector actually enhances the skin tone and minimizes hyperpigmentation and maintains uniformity and youthful skin. So it's a lot of good things in that small tub. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the cream and kind of warm it up between my fingers and apply it on my face. So guys, this cream blends into the skin very quickly and very smoothly. So I definitely recommend this facial kit. It's just 300 bucks. I'm sure you can buy it, try it for yourself, and experience the wonders that it does on your skin. So yeah guys, that was the video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. I really liked how my skin felt, and I did not have any breakouts or any kind of rashes on my skin because of the facial. It was very nice. It was hydrating. My skin felt really good. I even recommended my sister and my mother to use it. They also loved it. So you should definitely get it and try it on your own. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that thumbs up. Comment down below if you have tried diamond facial kit or any other facial kits that we can try at home. If you have any idea on those, let me know in the comments. That will be very helpful to all of us. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.